charts, and then I'll get into some Pi coin specifics. We'll check on any updates. 27%, altcoin season is upon us. Looks like Pi Network also up 15% on the day. All right, let's go ahead and check out, see how some of the majors are doing. We got Bitcoin sideways on a day. Oh, okay. Ethereum's up 27% on the 7 day. Okay. So we got Bitcoin sideways, Ethereum up 7%. Love to see that. Altcoin season is upon us. XRP up 2%, BNB 2.5%, Sol 7%, Dogecoin 6%, ADA 3%, Sui down for some reason on the day. Interesting. One of the few that are down on the top 100. We got Chainlink 2.5% or 2%, AVAC 6%, Hyperliquid 10%, Hedera HBAR about 5%, to Litecoin 7.5%. We'll give it to them. Monero 3.5%, and Pi, any Pi, Pi dollar foot long is 16% up on the day. We're gonna do some TA on Pi coin today. Check out, see what are the next levels that we're looking for to pass through, and then we're going to do some news stories, and we'll go ahead and wrap this video up. Please give this video a like, guys, if you appreciate the daily Pi coin updates. Oh, Jesus Lord, it looks like I'm not going to be able to load where I'm sitting right now. Let's see if anything will load here. Cool, there we go. Wow, look at that on the 1 month. All right, all the way back up to where we just were. Hope you guys were accumulating over that long time period of nothing going on. Looks like we're nearing that time a day as consensus, that time again as consensus 2025 is coming up around the corner. The entire crypto market is pretty much sideways, but down 0.2%. Pi coin up 16% on the day. You love to see it. You really love to see it. Let's go ahead and get into some TA, see what's going on, see what levels we're looking at next to move to, what important numbers we're looking for. Let's check out our trading view. Let's open up some charts. Let's get into it. If you guys appreciate this content, like I said, please drop some likes, drop some comments. It really does go a long way into helping me out, helping build this for us. I'm gonna have to move because ain't shit loading where I'm sitting. All right, here we go. Much better over here. Well, I'll just have to do this for a little bit. Let's go on over to Pi coins. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Yeehaw. Looking good, guys. Throw this video a like if you're bullish on Pi coin moving up so much. Getting ready for consensus. You can see we already broke through a couple of key points that I've been looking at. Probably more accurately is the 75-cent range. What's this? Yeah, about 75 cents. We can probably move this up slightly. We'll call that there. All right. Does this go on for infinity? I feel like this side over here needs to come down. Oh, well, we'll make do with it. All right. How about over here? Nope, just goes on forever. Okay, never mind. Your plan only sees 500 bars. Oh, no. I'm actually just going to put a new... Actually, I'll do that later. Yeah, all right. So I'm looking for us to stay above 75 cents would be pretty nice. We could fall back down to 72 cents. I mean, we could fall back down to forever low. However, oh, this is on the 1 minute. Let me go back to the 4 hour here. Boop. Zoom out a little bit. However, I feel pretty good about us where we're at in the zone. Look at these green candles. You love to see that. You really love to see it. Looks like we're having troubles passing through around 76 cents, 77 cents. Is really where the resistance is coming in. Yeah, I'm looking at around 70 cents, 79 cents, somewhere in there. 80 cents really. If we could stay above 80 cents, we could just keep on mooning. But I mean, I feel pretty good, guys. We're moving through all the support and resistance that we're coming across here. So I'm pretty happy about this. I'm looking, wow. I don't know. There's not a lot of history on this chart. I guess I have us at $1.02, 85 cents as the next key point of resistance. $1.22. We'll just keep on ladder stepping our way up. Let's go ahead on down to the 1 hour, see what's going on here. Lots of blue lines in here. I'll start deleting some of these coming up here soon. Damn, we are moving. Make sure you guys throw a like on this video if you're bullish on Pi Coin, if you're happy to see it moving. Appreciate you guys tuning in, whether you're watching this live or after the fact. It's a good day to be a Pi holder. Ain't it? You can see volumes up again as well. What's this little piece of news that they say? Announcement May 14th. All right, everyone's excited for May 14th. I guess this is in preparation for the consensus 2025. Let's go on down to the 5-minute. See what's going on here. I mean, gosh, we're just so freaking bullish here. It's crazy. We're moving right past that line just drew. I'm looking at like 76 cents to 78 cents to be our next resistance point, to be honest. I mean, everything looks pretty good though. We're moving in the right direction. We were sideways for a month and then boom. That's all it took. I hope you guys loaded up. I hope everyone loaded up on their conviction plays. Been saying it, whenever there's sideways action for that long with low volume, you know something's going to pop off soon. So everything is dead. Crypto Twitter's dead. YouTube is dead. And the markets are alive like a phoenix. They're absolutely mooning. Here's the 1 minute. Yeah, I'm looking for us to hopefully stay above 72 cents, really 73 cents. If we stay much above that, if we could keep going over 76 cents, then I'd be looking for us to hang out between 76 cents to 85 cents, probably before consensus. Not really sure if we'll break $1 or not, but it's kind of what I'm feeling, guys. Let me know your guys' thoughts on the price of Pi Coin, how you're feeling. Yeah, baby. Love to see this. This is just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Let's go ahead and see what sort of stories we can find. As always, we'll start off with HTX. They're posting more bullish Pi Coin content. Goodbye to gravity. Adios. Justin Sun says we're going to space. Let's see it. Let's go to the moon, baby. Here we can see Pi Coin again in another HTX meme. I don't even know what to call these. Just picture that the intern created. We have a bunch that have already been in the HTX ecosystem and a couple more that are coming up. So got Pi Coin. They're still tweeting about them. That's always good. It's been pretty much every day now for weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks. Rest in peace to all the people that sold at 72K, thinking that they could get away with something. Yeah, it's pretty much it out of HTX. Let's go ahead and check to see if there's any other major Pi Coin news on X that we can find. Any $5. Oh, here's Cointelegraph. What? 1 minute ago, after explosive early growth and bold promises, the project has stalled with little transparency, ongoing delays. Let me go ahead and let's see. Did you check the price? Let me put a little laughy face too. Or do you check the price or volume or oh my gosh, these fucking idiots. But could you believe my pie was moved yesterday? And I'm very sure that I have not in any way exposed my passphrase. Gosh, these idiots. And Cointelegraph here just fudding. FUD. More FUD, please. Please. Financial surprise is coming to Pioneers very soon. Okay. Pi Network to the sky currently. Here we got the map of Pi. I don't really see too much going on in terms of actual news. I just see a bunch of people just talking out of their butt. Major update, Binance finally listing Pi. Okay, trying to get some clicks. I think Pi will touch $1 to 150 next. Or It's possible. Pi ecosystem announcement will be released on May 14th. Bullish. Let me go a little quote tweet bullish. Yeah, not really seeing too much news on here. Let's go to the latest. Okay, despite initial rapid growth, Pi network development has come to a grinding halt. Okay. Sure. Grinding halt. Pi network, like that skate park that looked amazing in the rendering, but showed up half built with cracked concrete. Oh, post your real deals. Nice. Guys, none of this is financial advice. This is just my opinion. I think this is all bullshit. This is all FUD. These people have no idea what it's like to actually build a multi-billion-dollar, potentially multi-trillion-dollar coin. Just nonsense. Pi Network confirms smart contract integration that the Web3 era officially begins. It's already in Web3. May 14th is not only a big announcement, but also a historic turning point. Interesting. Yeah, not seeing a lot of news on Twitter for today, even when I was searching earlier. Oops. The Mars is ours. GCV. It's unfortunate. Got people talking about the GCV. Yeah, not really seeing too much going on here. Let's go ahead and move on to some other news. Let's see what Google has for us today, and then we'll go ahead and wrap up this live space. Again, if you guys appreciate these daily updates, if you want to support me, please throw a like on the video, drop some comments. We got some videos from African Giant by Blessing Kola Wole. He's a homie. Seems cool. All right, let's go ahead. Tools. Past 24 hours. Pi dead. Pi coin up 20% in 24 hours. I'm going to assume that it's not dead if it's up 20% in 24 hours. Just a thought. Pi network climbs to 6 in Finland's apps charts. What? Teases major ecosystem update. Number 6 in Finland. How many people even live in Finland? Like a few million? Still good. Love to see that. Pi network price prediction could price surge over 14%. Whales buy 20 million Pi coins. Cointelegraph. Bitcoin and Ethereum blockchain news. Yeah, not really seeing too much going on, guys. Not really seeing a lot of news on the day. Mirroring Pepe 70% doom. Just a lot of speculation. OKX, what crypto investors need to know about this growing ecosystem. Let's go ahead and check out this OKX article. I trust this over any of the other nonsense. Let's go OKX. Pi Network, a rising star in the crypto ecosystem. This was today, just a few minutes ago. The Pi Network has been making waves in the cryptocurrency world, capturing the attention of young, tech-savvy investors eager to explore its potential. With its unique approach to mining and a growing user base, Pi Network is positioning itself as a key player in the evolving blockchain landscape. But what exactly is driving this momentum, and why does it matter for crypto enthusiasts? What sets Pi Network apart? Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, Pi Network operates on a mobile-first model, allowing users to mine tokens directly from their smartphones. This innovative approach eliminates the need for energy-intensive mining rigs, making it more accessible and environmentally friendly. The Pi Core team has emphasized that their goal is to democratize access to cryptocurrency, a mission that resonates with younger investors who value inclusivity and sustainability, and who are also broke and are just trying to mine something for some free money, like myself 6 years ago. Got mobile mining, user-friendly interface, community-driven growth. I'd have to agree with number 1 and number 3 there. I'd say user-friendly relatively, but I think it's still got some cleaning up to do. But that's okay. We're moving in the right direction. More user-friendly than Ethereum, I'll give it that. The timing of Pi Network's rise is significant as the broader crypto market experiences fluctuations, with major tokens like Solana facing pullbacks. Investors are looking for alternative opportunities. Pi Network offers a fresh perspective, focusing on long-term utility rather than short-term speculation. This aligns with the growing trend of real-world use cases becoming a critical factor in evaluating crypto projects. Expert opinions. Not going to name the expert, they'll just say it. Pi Network is an intriguing project because it challenges the traditional barriers to entering crypto. I would agree with that 1,000,000%. That's exactly why I'm so bullish on it. Says a blockchain analyst. being anonymous, I suppose. Its focus on accessibility and sustainability could set a new standard for the industry. I agree. Challenges and criticisms. While Pi Network has garnered significant attention, it is not without its challenges. Critics have pointed out the lack of fully operational mainnet and the absence of a clear roadmap for token utility. Additionally, some skeptics question the long-term viability of its mobile mining model. However, the PyCore team has assured its community that these issues are being addressed with updates expected in the coming months. The road ahead for Pi Network. As Pi Network continues to grow, its success will largely depend on its availability to deliver on its promises. The launch of a fully functional mainnet and the introduction of real-world applications for Pi tokens will be critical milestones. For now, the project remains a fascinating case study in how innovation and community engagement can drive a cryptocurrency's adoption. Final thoughts from OKX right now. For young crypto curious investors, only the young, I guess, are allowed over here. I know a lot of people who are older that mine PiCoin. Pi Network represents an exciting opportunity to get involved in a project that prioritizes accessibility and sustainability. While it's still in its early stages, the network's unique approach and growing community make it a project worth watching. As always, potential investors should conduct thorough research and consider the risks before diving in. Of course, none of this is financial advice. Got a little disclaimer there. Here's how to sell Pi. Seek legit. When will Pi launch be available for trading on OKX? It says it's available for trading. I personally cannot trade it on OKX. I've already tried several times, so not really sure what they're saying there. Yeah, so that is what they're saying. Not a lot of other real PiCoin news. Can Pi turn your fortunes around in 2025? Pi Network rally halts under 80 cents as traders speculate about upcoming ecosystem announcement. Yeah, guys, let me know what you think. Mysterious Pi token surge sparks Binance listing speculation. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm curious on your thoughts. That's pretty much all that I have on the day. I mean, things are looking really good. Here's the 4 hour. It's the charts that I prefer to look at. I think around 80 cents is definitely fair for resistance that's going on. If we go above 80 cents, I'd probably look for us to fluctuate between 80 cents and $1 before consensus. Could pump all the way over $1 after consensus. You never know. But of course, none of this is financial advice. I'm just some dude in a hammock giving you their 2 cents, letting you know what they think of the market. So please take it with a grain of salt. I want to know what you guys think in the comments down below. We're just a group of people trying to figure out what's going on. So I'd love to hear you guys' thoughts in the comments. As always, guys, this has been Joe on Chain from New Money Crypto. We all know there's smart money, dumb money, old money. Years from now, they'll be calling you new money. Until then, I'm going to catch you guys on the video soon. Much love. Peace.